Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day I bid to all. My name is Hazirah and currently I'm a faculty member of School of Education, Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities, University Technology Malaysia, attached under the Department of Technical and Engineering Education. Before I joined the academia, I have diversified background in engineering, starting with bachelor degree in chemical engineering from UiTM Shah Alam. Upon graduating, I was offered a position of management trainee in an inspection company based in Pasir Gudang. I was given the opportunity to explore the world of inspection, ranging from non-destructive testing, welding inspection, and also visual inspection. Over the time, I was entrusted to handle shutdown project as project manager located at various oil refineries plant in Terengganu and Pasir Gudang. In engineering industry, women are always perceived as the minorities. Once I have been working with 60 male colleagues and only 2 female colleagues under one project. Though it is not easy, but never once I regret of having such an experience. Women are complicated, we have to agree on that, don't we? But working with male colleagues personally are more easier for me, at least. The communication is short but precise and smooth. There are a lot of things I learned when working in industry, and I'm glad that I took that path before. After a year and a half, I was offered to further my study in master's degree, and I took the opportunity and pursued my study in mechanical engineering. Later on, my supervisor encouraged me to further pursue my study in PhD and work in academia. I still remember her advice vividly. She said that at one point, you will have your husband to take care of, your kids to cater, and your own life and hobby to fulfill. Academia suits you better as a woman, and leave the industry for the man. At that time, I was engaged. I was engaged to my husband, and I asked his opinion about whether to work in the industry or to pursue my study in PhD. Having to be working back in industry is not an option for me once we are married. With the long 12 working hours on site and harsh environment, my husband definitely disapproved that. Hence, I pursued my PhD and able to secure a senior lecturer position here in University Technology Malaysia. Throughout my PhD journey, I also met with wonderful and encourages research colleagues, which also supported the idea to join the academia. Now, what's the difference between working in the industry and in academia? It is well known that industry has a harsher environment compared to academia. They don't have air conditioning office and coffee maker on site, but definitely they offer more flexible attire where all you have to wear is the coverall on the outside. You won't have that opportunity in academia, where you need to doll up and to look professional all the time. Apart from that, I believe that both working environment comes with the stress package. There is no occupation that did not offer any stress level to us, right? It depends on how we handle the stress that matters. Working in industries took far long hours on site, 12 working hours from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. And you don't have to bring your work home, since most of the work are conducted on site. On the other hand, academia is well known for our 7 Ps, from publication to research, from teaching to supervision, and from administration to even consultation. Though we might have flexible working hours, but it seems that you can't help but bringing all your work at home. I'm a mother of 1 and soon to be 2, a devoted wife and an awesome daughter. And personally, if I'm still working in the industry, I have no idea how to be the different role at home. That 12 working hours on site is really tiring, and all hail to the women who are working in the industries but still came back as the most wonderful mother and wife at home, and kudos to all of you. With that, I would like to end my video by encouraging all women in engineering to keep on respecting each other even though we have diversified working environment. We have to empower all women to never feel neglected or left behind, even when we are working in the so-called male-dominant engineering world. With that, thank you and stay safe.